Most handheld game consoles and controllers feel great when new, but as time passes, the analog sticks feel like a bad cup of tea, all bitter and no joy. In today's video, we'll be showing how to do some maintenance, reviving them to their former glory. Welcome to Team Pandori.
Subscribble.
There are many kinds of sticks out there: standard, Hall effect, and even the not so great ones of a Joy-Con. They fall into two categories: ones that grind against the case, and ones that glide thanks to a nice lubricated ring. So let's get stuck in and sort them both out. First job is to give it a clean, and to do that we'll use a cotton bud and some of this contact cleaner. Basically, we need to get rid of the grime where the sticks touch the case at its maximum range. So I'll spray some of the cleaner on the bud, and then get to work.
My stick could do with a clean, but usually Beverly does it after a cup of Earl Grey.
Lovely. Let's get to lube. I'll be using Ceragrease, but controllers are usually a plastic, so a silicone-based lubricant is recommended. Just need a little bit of this on the tip. Then apply it to the areas most likely to rub. A little goes a long way. Then we can use the other side of the cotton swab to clean up the job. And now this feels fantastic. And it's night and day if we compare it to the other side, which tends to grind near 12 o'clock. So let's finish the job. And now the grinding problem, all fixed. There is actually one more simple mod that we can do, and that is to use one of these silicone protection rings. We got the set of 20 for $2 off AliExpress, and apparently these are compatible with PlayStation 3 to 5 and the Xbones. Let's try it with the Steam Deck. So that looks pretty good, fits great, and it feels like a slippery layer is definitely protecting my system. We also renewed the sticks of the ROG Ally. After a clean, it does feel much better, but the rings were not compatible, and they sat a bit loose. We'll need a smaller sized ring for it to fit. As for controllers, this PlayStation 4 pad probably needed the most work, as it's been used for a while now. So first up, we clean it. Then we grease it up. Already the left side feels new, but the right wants to be left alone with a bottle of Jack Daniels. Let's try one of these rings. Ooh, very nice. And it works so well that we did the whole controller. Given how shockingly cheap maintenance is, you'd be daft not to give this a go. And if you feel like being a legend, do consider smacking that like button, subscribing, and perhaps even gracing us with your presence over on Patreon.
Or if you're a pretty girl, why not visit John the Message Man at johnluke.com.
This has been Immy Chicken of Team Pandori, and I'll catch you on the next one. Ta-ra.